Hello and welcome to Pullback Indicators. The markets are still open and let's check out the performance of our indicator for today, 11th March. As you can see, this is a 5-minute Nifty chart. Whenever we trade on Bank Nifty or Nifty, we use a 5-minute time frame. So in the morning, we got a buy signal here at 9:35, but we did not enter into the trade on the next candle at 9:40 candle. Why? Because the stop loss was very high, was very big. So when the stop loss for Nifty is more than 60-70 points, because our stop loss and target ratio is 1:2. So we will only enter on a trade when we can predict that we can achieve our targets. Then we got a sell signal here at 13:45 on this candle, but as you can see, no trade happened because the closing price of the next candle or the next 4 candles were not lesser than the candle in which we received the signal. So there was no trade in Nifty overall. Now let's see Bank Nifty. For Bank Nifty, again we got a buy signal here in the morning at 9:50, but we did not enter into the trade. Whenever we get a buy signal on this type of candles, or if you see the previous candle or the first 9:15 candle, we do not enter into any trade because we don't have a clear direction. So again we got a sell signal here at 13:40. The trade happened on the next candle closing price, but unfortunately there was a stop loss on the previous candle of the selling candle. This high is a stop loss. So we had to give a stop loss, unfortunately. And if you see, in the last 10 days, we have won around 7 times and lost 3 times. So it is a part of the game. Whenever you trade, someday you will lose, sometimes you will win. But what will make your trades profitable at the end of the day is your money management. So whenever we lose 1:1. Whenever we make profit, we make 1:2. Now let's look at some equity. This is a Dr. Reddy chart. When we look at equities, we use a 3-minute time frame. Now Dr. Reddy's here, we have got a buy signal in the first in this candle. The trade happened on the next candle, the closing price of the next candle at 3911. It went up right till almost 3995 levels. A very good move in Dr. Reddy's. Then we have Jsw Steel. Jsw Steel, there is no signal for today. Then we have Power Grid. In Power Grid, we have a sell signal here at 10:36, but no trade happened, as you can see. And then again we got a buy signal here at 12:21. The trade happened somewhere between here and it went up right till here. Then we have Sun Pharma. Sun Pharma, again we got a buy signal at 9:18. The trade happened on the next candle, and look at Sun Pharma. From 874 we got almost, it went till 900 levels. Then this is Cipla. Cipla, again we got a buy signal here in the morning at 10:30. The trade happened on the closing price of the next candle, and from there it went up right till here. And as you know, again we got a sell signal and buy signal. But as you know, if we make profit on the first signal, we ignore the remaining signals. Now let's see Kotak Bank. Kotak Bank, again we have a sell signal here, but no trade happened. Let's see one more stock. This is HCL. HCL, we got a buy signal here. The trade happened on the next candle and it went up right till here. And again we got a sell signal and we exited. So if you see, and we'll ignore the sell signal because we have already made profit in the first signal itself. As you can see, if you follow the indicator properly and use my trading strategy, then you can recover the indicator cost in just one day. This was all for today. Remember, we cannot predict the market all the time, but if we remain consistent and stick to our trading rules with proper discipline and follow proper money management, then our chances of winning will be higher and lead to overall profit. The indicator works across all market segments in equity, Nifty, Bank Nifty, Forex, Commodity, Crypto. Along with the indicator, you will also get our strategy videos on how to trade, when to enter, where to exit, and where to put stop loss. This indicator works on TradingView chart. You can use this indicator on your smartphone and also your desktop browser. You don't require any paid version of TradingView. In case you have any queries, you can send me a message. I will put my details in the description box. Thank you very much for watching. Hope you like this video.